India is the only country which is going to grow at double digit. That is another advantage for all of you. So economy is very good. Andhra Pradesh is located in central India, that to 974 kilometers of sea coast. Even our ports are all deep water ports. We want to make Andhra Pradesh as a logistics hub. Many companies wanted to start their exports. This is the best place. For East Asian countries, we want to make it gateway for India. Interland of India, we want to build infrastructure. Then within the country, you will have perfect networking, and also for East Asian countries, we are going to have best network. So human resource, I told you, Andhra Pradesh, we are having good people, I am telling you. I will motivate them also. Earlier 9 years I was CM, never we had any labor unrest or any agitations. As long as we are looking after them. Always we have to look after them for their welfare. We have to motivate them. They need employment. I am assuring you, recently labor reforms we brought. According to me, it is number one in the country. I can assure you, if you can go through, no other state has brought labor reforms. Only some states have brought. Our policy is better than them.
ఇంటింటికి నల్లా ద్వారా నీళ్ళిస్తామని 60 సంవత్సరాల భారతదేశ చరిత్రలో, స్వతంత్ర చరిత్రలో, 60 సంవత్సరాల పైబడ్డ చరిత్రలో ఏ పార్టీ కానీ ఏ ప్రభుత్వం కానీ ఈ దేశంలో ఏ రాష్ట్రంలో కూడా ఇప్పటివరకు చెప్పలేదు. ఒక్కసారి కూడా చెప్పే సాహసం కూడా చేయలేదు. మేము చెప్పడం మాత్రమే కాదు, చేయకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఎన్నికలకే పోమని చెప్పిన ధీశాలి మా ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు.